Ito po kami ngayon sa Halley 5. At naglalaro po kami ng 1, 2, 3. Pass.
Mali naman ta. Mali tawag mo, ultimate the right corner. 1, 2, 3, pass. The right corner. In
the corner 1 is Hector.
Wait, where's going?
And the corner 2 is Wani. And corner 3 is May. And corner 4 is the unbeatable.
Okay, round one.
Round 1. No, last round. This is the last round. The ultimate.
Ultimate, 1, 2, 3, pass. Gine. Corner. Oh my God.
Wait.
1, 2, 3, pass. 1, 2, 3.
And the winner is the unbeatable. At yan po, ang natalo ay si Hector. Ayun, ano masabi mo dahil natalo ka?
Pwede naman